What else? Hi. How old are you, Wiley? 7 weeks? 7 weeks old? Yeah. Just woke up from your nap? Yeah. Grandma and Grandpa Barber came for a visit? Yeah. They came for a visit. We took them back to the airport. Mm-hmm. Yes. And then you had your first night away from home. We stayed with Auntie Jen. Yeah. And you were a good boy. Yeah. You like to suck your hands now? If you can get them in your mouth. Yeah. You gonna have a bath tonight? Yeah. You like baths, don't you? What? Chicka, 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 chicka. Oh. Whoa. 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 Yeah. Tell me all about it, mister. Yeah. We're getting ready to change your... There's Bear. Making a ruckus. Bear. Heavens. We're getting ready to change your diaper. Yeah. And I'd been waiting for you to do some talking. And you started talking. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We paused on the diaper business. Oh. On that note, we'll change your diaper. Say bye-bye.